Welcome to the Gary Global Network radio program. Today we have received breaking news from Hudat District, Dawa Zone. According to information received from Hudat District, a heavily armed one of the Oromo rebels was captured by the Somali local militias. And the images you are looking at are one heavily armed Oromo rebel was captured near Dire Dima while he was roaming in the suburban district. It was unclear where he was going and what his intention was in traveling solo. But we will let you know as the newest information becomes available to us. Thanks for watching.